What if your marketing didn't just talk at customers, but actually talked with them? Two-way SMS lets businesses send and receive text messages, turning simple campaigns into real conversations. One-way texts stop at delivery. Two-way SMS opens the door to engagement. It's cost-effective, fast, and personal. Customers reply instantly, confirming appointments, answering surveys, or asking questions. And every reply gives you real-time insights, so you can test, learn, and improve every message. Keep messages short, respect opt-ins, don't overtext, and always track performance. When done right, two-way SMS builds trust, boosts engagement, and improves the customer experience. With Mailchimp, it's easy to make SMS part of your bigger marketing strategy. Turn texts into conversations.